The British have a tendency of only using the final third of the rod. So when they're lighting fires, if it's with a Vaseline cotton ball, all they need is that tiny spark. When I'm lighting this fire with natural tinder, okay, I'm gonna use the entire length of that ferro rod because I need as many sparks as possible. Oh, I thought I had that on the first shot. Come on. That should be it.
This is what happens with demos.
You know, you're absolutely right, but it brings up a good point because we even did this on the video today. So the first few shots you guys saw that didn't go. There's another technique. If I slowly scrape this ferro rod and I'm slowly scraping it and I'm treating it like I can't let it spark, I'm slowly building up that metal at the base of my tinder right here. Now, when I want it to spark, look at the fire.
Are you shaving off some of the metal onto the feather stick?
That was the whole point.
That's what's catching it.
Man, it's like I planned that or something, you know?